Hello learners, welcome to the solution of this question. This question is on coordinate geometry. We are given coordinates of diameter AB. Using this informa, we have to identify the coordinates of center of circle and radius of circle. In third part of question, we are given the coordinates of vertex of cone having the base as circle with diameter AB. We have to identify the volume of the cone. Thus, question covers various aspects of coordinate geometry, and using formula we have learned so far, let us try to solve first part of the question. We have to identify the coordinates of the center of the circle. In first part we know that center of the circle lies at the middle point of the diameter. A diameter passes through the center of the circle and center is exactly at the middle point of that diameter. Therefore, to identify the center of the circle, we need to use midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is used to identify the midpoint of a line. If we know the endpoints here, we know that coordinates of A and B, thus the midpoint can be identified. Suppose the coordinates of A are x1, y1 and z1 and coordinates of B are x2, y2 and z2. The coordinates of midpoint will be x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2 and z1 plus z2 divided by 2. Therefore, using the formula, coordinates of the center can be identified. The coordinates will be 1 minus 3 divided by 2, 4 plus 2 divided by 2 and 0 minus 4 divided by 2. The coordinates of center of the circle will be minus 1, 3 and minus 2. Let us move on to the second part of the question. In second part, we have to calculate the radius of circle with diameter AB. The radius is half of the diameter. We can find the diameter by finding the distance between A and B. Alternatively, we can also find the radius directly by finding the distance of either A or B from the center. So let's find the radius by finding AB. To find distance between A and B, we need to use the distance formula. Distance between A and B is square root of x1 minus x2 raised to the power 2 plus y1 minus y2 raised to the power 2 plus z1 minus z2 raised to the power 2. Thus, the length of diameter is square root of minus 3 minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 2 minus 4 raised to the power 2 plus minus 4 minus 0 raised to the power 2. This comes out to be square root of 4 square plus 2 square plus 4 square, that is square root of 36. Thus the diameter is 6. The radius will be half of 6, that is 3. Let us now move on to the last part of the question. In the last part we have to evaluate the volume of cone. The formula for volume of the cone is 1/3 area of base multiplied by height. The base here is circle. The height can be calculated by finding the distance between vertex and center of the circle. For calculating the area of base, we have radius of the circle. The area of base will be pi r square. The area is pi multiplied by radius square. The height will be distance between vertex and center. Vertex is at -1, -1 and 0. The height will be square root of -1 minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus -1 minus 3 raised to the power 2 plus 0 minus 2 raised to the power 2. The value will be square root of 0 square plus 4 square plus 2 square. The value will be square root of 20. The volume will be 1/3 multiplied by area multiplied by height. The value will be 1 by 3 multiplied by pi multiplied by 3 square multiplied by square root 20. This can be simplified to 3 multiplied by pi multiplied by square root of 20. Further, the volume will be 6 pi square root of 5. Thus, our solutions are radius is 3, center is -1, 3, -2, volume is 6 pi root 5. For more such questions, keep visiting our website www.iitnacademy.com and register for detailed explanation. Thank you.